Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today we show you how to send emails in Java Spring Boot with API. Java Spring Boot provides multiple methods for sending emails, but in this video we're concentrating on sending emails with API. Watch our other videos to learn how to send emails with SMTP. For this example, we use an email API provided by Mailtrap Email Sending. To use it, you'll need to create an account. Go to mailtrap.io and click on the Sign Up button. Choose the desired method of registration and fill out the required fields. Click on the Sign Up button. In the left navigation panel, choose Email Sending and then Sending Domains. Type in your sending domain and click Add Your Domain button. Then copy the generated DNS records one by one and add them to the DNS registrar of your domain. Click Verify All. Once your domain has been verified, you can start sending the emails. Go to API and SMTP settings and choose API. Copy the value next to the API token. We'll need it in a bit. But first, let's build an email sending script. We'll need an HTTP client and its dependencies. In an empty Spring Boot project, go to the POM XML file and add the OK HTTP client library. Create a new class to build a new service. We'll call it Mailtrap Client. Add the @service annotation. Create a new instance of the OK HTTP client and give the name to the variable. And initialize it manually with a constructor. Remember that injection won't work in this case. Create a method that will be responsible for sending the emails. Pass parameters such as from, to, subject, text, and category to it. Use the media type class to specify the type of content as JSON. Create an HTTP request body using the request body class and pass JSON string and media type to it. Add the necessary imports. Prepare the new request with the help of the builder. In the URL parameter, enter the Mailtrap Email Sending API endpoint, which you can find in the official docs. The link will be in the description below. Specify the method as post and pass the body. Add the authorization header and enter the API token you copied from the Mailtrap account. Then, using the content type header, set the type as application JSON. And finalize the construction of the request with the build method. Configure the response, and the email service will be ready. Now we need to create a controller that will handle the REST API endpoint. Declare it with the @REST controller and add the necessary imports. Declare a private and final instance of Mailtrap Client and add it to the constructor. Create an endpoint and use the try-catch log to handle potential exceptions. There are two ways of hitting the endpoint. The first way is to create a request in the HTTP client. Set the localhost port and the endpoint. Don't forget to add the @request mapping to the controller. Run the API and hit the endpoint. The success message appeared and the email is right there in the inbox. The second way is to hit the endpoint using the browser. Paste the endpoint in the address bar and hit enter. The success message appears once again and the email has arrived in the inbox. All done. You can now successfully send emails in Spring Boot using an email API. Watch our dedicated videos to learn how to send emails with SMTP. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.